10 businesses that can get you out of poverty. You know what's funny? Poor people are told, follow your passion, believe in yourself, manifest abundance. Meanwhile, rich people are out here selling bottled water for 400% profit. Nobody manifested that. They just found something people already needed and charged extra. So today, no fake motivation. No, wake up at 4 a.m. and grind. No billionaire quotes from a guy who inherited 17 buildings and a yacht. Just real businesses. Businesses, regular people, are using right now to escape poverty. Some are boring, some are stressful, some are not sexy at all. But you know what's sexy? Paying rent on time. Let's begin. 1. Food business. People can ignore your text messages. People can ignore your calls. But people cannot ignore hunger. Food is recession-proof. Even during hard times, people still eat. In fact, stress makes people eat more. That's why the shawarma guy is smiling during economic collapse. You don't need a restaurant. That's why people go broke, trying to look professional. Start small. Rice, snacks, smoothies, puff, chicken, late-night noodles. The richest food sellers aren't chefs, they're convenience dealers. If your food arrives fast, tastes good, and doesn't poison people, congratulations. You're already ahead of 60% of the market. And the best part? People buy food every day, not once a year. Not when the economy improves. Every single day. 2. Phone accessories business. Phones are now human organs. People can survive heartbreak, but 2% battery? Panic. Selling phone accessories is one of the simplest businesses because humans destroy chargers like it's a hobby. Chargers break, earphones disappear. Phone protectors crack every 12 business days. And guess what? The profit margins are ridiculous. A cable bought cheap can sell 3x higher. You don't need a giant shop. Some people started with one table and pure aggression. The secret is location. Near schools, bus stops, busy roads. Anywhere humans are suffering with low battery. That's free money floating in the air. 3. Cleaning business. Rich people hate cleaning. Actually, most people hate cleaning. That's why cleaning businesses quietly print money. Homes, offices, Airbnb apartments, post-construction cleanup. Dirt keeps renewing itself, like a Netflix subscription. And here's the crazy part. People look down on cleaning jobs until they realize the owner of the cleaning company is making more money than office workers wearing ties and depression. You can start with basic tools. No motivational seminar needed. Just reliability. If you show up on time and don't disappear after payment, you already become legendary. 4. Hair and beauty business. Listen carefully. People will skip meals, but still do their hair. Human beings love looking expensive. Haircuts, wigs, braiding, nails, lashes, barbing. This industry survives everything. Rain, still doing hair. Economic crisis, still doing hair. Heartbreak, double hair appointment. And the crazy thing, customers come back repeatedly. That's the dream. Recurring customers. A barber can see the same client every week for years. Imagine a business where customers literally grow the product back on their heads. That's genius. 5. Logistics delivery business. Lazy people built billion-dollar industries. Food delivery, package delivery, errand services. Humans now want everything delivered. Food, clothes, groceries, even toothpaste. People will pay extra just to avoid wearing slippers outside. If you own a bike, tricycle, or even strong legs and determination, there's money here. And the funniest part? Online businesses need delivery people. Without logistics, half the internet collapses. You become the bridge between I ordered and where's my package. Just don't become that delivery guy who says, I'm close, while still in another state. 6. Thrift, resale business. You know what rich people do? They rebrand old things and call it vintage. That's business. Reselling is one of the oldest survival hacks in history. Buy low, sell higher. That's it. Shoes, clothes, furniture, phones, bags. Some people built entire lives flipping things they found cheap online. And let's be honest, people love affordable stuff, especially when you package it correctly. The same shirt changes value depending on lighting and confidence. If you take clean photos and write premium vintage oversized aesthetic drip collection, suddenly the shirt starts speaking French. 7. Content creation. Now, before you roll your eyes, no, you do not need to become an influencer. Most influencers are just unemployed people with ring lights. But content creation is powerful because attention is money. Businesses need videos, photos, editing, thumbnails, captions, TikToks. And most companies are terrible at making content. That's your opportunity. You don't need expensive equipment. Some viral videos were recorded with phones held together by hope, but consistency matters. The internet rewards people who keep showing up. One good video can change your entire financial situation overnight, which is crazy, because your ancestors had to fight lions for survival. You just need decent lighting and subtitles. 8. Laundry business. Laundry is eternal. Clothes get dirty every single day, and modern people are tired. After work, nobody wants to wash jeans manually like they're in a historical documentary. That's why laundry businesses work, especially in busy areas with students, workers, or bachelors. The business literally runs on laziness and exhaustion, two things humans produce in unlimited quantities. And if your delivery is fast, game over. You become the hero of people who own 37 outfits, but somehow never have clean clothes. 9. Digital skills business. This one is different. You learn one valuable skill, then sell it repeatedly online. Graphic design, video editing, copywriting, web design, animation. The internet doesn't care where you're from. A guy editing videos in a small room can earn from clients overseas while wearing shorts and eating noodles. That's insane when you think about it. Your laptop becomes a portable ATM. But here's the reality. The beginning is ugly. Your first designs may look like crimes against humanity. Your first edits may cause headaches, but skill compounds. And eventually, people start paying for speed, not just talent. 10. Selling to broke people. This is the biggest lesson. Most successful businesses make money from normal people, not millionaires. Poor and middle-class people buy things daily. Affordable products, affordable services, affordable convenience. Stop trying to build a luxury empire immediately. The richest businesses often win because they are cheap, fast, and available. That's reality. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Poverty doesn't disappear because of motivation. It disappears when income becomes consistent. That's it. Not quotes, not mindset podcasts, not staring at sunsets thinking about success. Money solves money problems, and businesses solve money problems faster than waiting for miracles. None of these businesses are glamorous, but neither is being broke. The internet made people think success must look cinematic. In reality, most wealth starts looking very boring. One customer, then another, then another. That's how people quietly escape poverty, while social media is busy arguing about manifestation. So the question is not, what business is perfect? The question is, what problem can you solve consistently without giving up after 9 days? That's the real game. And unlike motivation, reality actually pays.